Hi there, travelers and hotel pros. Have you ever booked a hotel and wondered why did the price just jump $50 overnight? Or maybe you worked in a hotel and thought, are we leaving money on the table? Well, the answer is hiding in plain sight today, which is artificial intelligence. But here is the twist. AI is not going to replace humans. It is going to make them into superheroes. And we will break this down into five bite sized sections here today. So grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button. And before we move on to the next section, let's answer this question first. Would you let AI set your hotel's price? Yes, the robots will rule today. So no humans gonna dictate the price anymore. We're gonna have AI set the price for you in the future. So let's dive into this very interesting topic here today. Now, in this session, I want to showcase that what I said is no longer just a hype. This is a strategy. This is a trend, my friends. And we will showcase here in this session why a hotel should be obsessed with AI. So let's talk about some AI superpower for your hotel. So imagine this. There's a Taylor Swift concert that drops in your town or city, or any kind of concert for that matter, or any kind of event for that matter. Boom. AI will spot the search in flight searches or any type of accommodation searches for your area. You can spot Instagram hypes, TikTok hypes, Facebook hypes, any social media hypes, even weather forecasts like rain, for example. Maybe the fans want a last minute hotel room booking. It jacks up prices before you finish your coffee. And this is not just about charging more for the hotel rooms. It is AI that helps you balance demand spikes with off peak lulls. So your hotels stay booked all year around. Now, here's a question for you. Would you pay more for a hyper personalized rate at the hotel room? Let me know the answer in the comments below. And here is the kicker, my friends. AI will tailor prices to you. Love spa packages, hate resort fees. Who don't hate resort fees? The algorithms will remember. But is that creepy or cool? Let me also know that in the comments below. Take, for example, the Grand Alpine Resorts. Their AI noticed business travelers book last minute Mondays, so they auto offered 10% discount to fill empty rooms. And the result? Revenue jumped 15%. This is what innovations and AI creativity is all about, my friends. Now, here, my friends, is the caveat. AI is not perfect. There are pitfalls, and we need to address all these pitfalls. And we need to put strategies in place that focus on AI and humans working in harmony to amplify the experience for everyone involved. And we saw, for example, during the pandemic, where hotels were relying on historical data uh, and slashing prices, but nobody was traveling. Oops, AI didn't see that black swan coming. Or even worse, you can have algorithmic price wars. If every hotel uses the same AI, they undercut each other into being unaware. and you will cause a race towards the bottom. So, have you ever felt scammed by a hotel price? Maybe you booked a hotel room and then saw it drop $100 the next day. Well, we all have all in some way been there. So, and what about bias, which is something that we have seen a lot of talk about, and when it comes to AI? If AI hikes prices for luxury seekers, does that exclude budget travelers? So we as humans have to step in and audit this and make sure that everything is done according to the strategies, and until we come to a point that we see that we can actually trust the information that comes in and we can trust the information that goes out also. Now, in this session, I want to showcase the benefits of AI and humans working in collaboration, because that's where the real magic happens. The best hotels blends AI's brain with the human heart. So let's imagine that you have a guest that checks in at the hotel, and AI will alert you or your concierge that the name of the guest is Sarah Smith. She's a vegan. She loves spa, and she stayed with the hotel 3 times. And then the concierge can provide a message to Sarah. Welcome back, Sarah, to our hotel. We have pre-stocked your room with almond milk, and here is a 20% spa discount for your stay. Now you see that AI does the homework, but the human or the concierge in this case will deliver the warmth and unique experience that will just blow the mind of Sarah in this case. So you are already set up for success. So here's a question for you. How would you use AI at your hotel in this context? Leave your answer in the comments. Now, use your imagination. Go a little crazy. Be innovative when you in your answer. Tools like the RevPar Guru will analyze reviews, but instead of auto replying with some common message like "Sorry for the bad Wi-Fi," the manager sends a handwritten note with a free upgrade. That is how you turn your haters into your loyal fans that will give you raving reviews on any review channel. Now, here is the holy grail for hotels: direct bookings, direct bookings, direct bookings. But today, online travel agencies takes about 25% commission. But the key is that AI is now helping us to fight back on this. With AI assistant chatbots like Velma from QuickText, we can, on your website or through mobile apps, provide messages to your customers or potential guests like, "Hi, book direct and get the free breakfast," or any type of incentives that's relevant for your hotel. The AI assistant chatbot will nudge the guest to your site or your app and utilize retargeting ads where AI will help find guests who abounded your cart and lure them back with new creative and innovative incentives. So I don't want you to leave here today without having an opportunity to grab my free 60-minute AI consultation for your hotel with no strings attached. We will address all these topics or issues we have talked about here today. Make sure that you snag this consultation. It's pure gold. And finally, it's like AI is not here to steal anybody's jobs today. It is here to help you handle spreadsheets or any task at your hotel so your team can be freed up to deliver extraordinary experiences for every guest, no matter what. This is hospitality. AI is bringing back hospitality, and that is a revolution worth booking itself. So make sure that you smash that like button, and if you learned something or found this really unique, make sure that you subscribe for more deep dives and also share this with your team. And if you have any particular topics that you want me to address in context with AI and the strategies that we will tap more into for any part of your hotel or any part of your hospitality business, let me know. Until next time, keep innovating.